Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook artichokes. First, select firm, heavy artichokes with tightly bound leaves. Begin by trimming the stem so the artichoke sits flat, then snap off any tough outer leaves until you reveal the pale yellow ones. Next, cut about 1 inch from the top and snip off the spiny tips. Have the artichoke and use a spoon to remove the fibrous choke. Remember to rub all cut surfaces with lemon to prevent them from oxidizing and turning brown. Gordon Ramsay often favors grilling artichokes after a quick blanch or steam, which imparts a wonderful smoky flavor. For steaming, place your prepped artichokes in a steamer basket with about 1 inch of water, cover, and cook for 25 to 40 minutes until a leaf pulls off easily. Alternatively, you can boil them by submerging in lightly salted water with aromatics, simmering for 20 to 35 minutes until tender. The cooking time depends on the artichoke size. Once cooked, artichokes can be served warm or cold, often accompanied by a delicious dipping sauce like lemon butter or a creamy aioli. To enjoy, simply pull off each leaf, then scrape the tender, fleshy part from its base with your teeth, discarding the fibrous remainder. The ultimate reward is the artichoke heart, which is the meatiest part. Just be sure to remove any remaining hairy choke before savoring this delicacy. For a different take, consider frying artichokes. Ensure your batter is dense and the oil is heated to between 160 and 180 degrees Celsius for a perfectly crispy result. Roasting with olive oil, salt, and pepper also offers a simple, flavorful option. Artichokes are versatile. Try them in bruschetta, creamy dips, or hearty stews. To keep them fresh, store whole artichokes in the fridge, wrapped in damp paper, for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.